Hello everyone. Here I am going to show how to make stencils from old plastic files. I use old plastic file, and first I drawn this figure on a white sheet like this. There I am going to do again another one design. After that I marked with black marker, and on the top I kept this plastic sheet. You can paste it with sellotape so that your design should not go here and there, and cut very safely, properly, slowly. Take a sharp nib cutter so that you can cut properly. Any simple design you can draw and cut the stencils like this. After that, many way I will show in my next video how to use this stencils for making paintings. Different types of paintings I will show you. Some relief work, some stencil printing, or many more ways are there to utilize this stencils. It takes time, so do very patiently. Don't do it in a hurry, otherwise your stencil will spoil. Use very safely because this nib is very sharp. Same design you can use many ways, like block printing. Same designs we are doing many ways. Here also you can use this design for making bed sheets or tablecloth or painting. In market there are many stencils, but here we can make by our own waste materials, different designs, our own designs. This I am making a beautiful butterfly. Put a hardboard down when you cut down to this paper so that your table will not get scratched. I put a cardboard, so that if any mark is going, that will go on that cardboard. See, now design is coming out. Try to take bold designs so that you can cut easily. How much fine design you will take, that much difficult it will be to cut. So first you take simple designs so that you can cut easily. Butterfly is sitting on a flower. Almost it is ready now. You can take any plastic sheet or rubber sheet, or OHP sheet is also coming in market. Plastic OHP sheet for glass painting or for other work we are using for craft work. OHP sheets, you can use OHP sheets also for this, or any old file you can use like this. I am using old plastic file. From one file you can make two stencils. This is little complicated to cut in round shape. If you don't want to cut this front part, you can leave this part, mark it with marker or with brush. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.